Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to get started with Google Sheets. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if you have never used Google Sheets before, just open up a browser window and go to sheets.google.com. And once you do that, you can see that your link will change a little bit, but that's okay because sheets.google.com will get you there. Now, if I click the first button here for a blank spreadsheet, when I open that up, I can see that this looks an awful lot like Microsoft Excel. And if you're really proficient in Excel, Google Sheets is going to be very easy. So the first thing is, if I look up here and I see Untitled Spreadsheet, if I click in here and say, Get Started with Google Sheets, and hit enter, this is now the name of my file. So if I hit the back button, I will see that my Get Started with Google Sheets spreadsheet is right here. So if I need to come back and edit that, I can. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if I would like, I could start with some column headers right here in A1. So I could do first name, last name in column B, and address in column C. And if I highlight my headers, I have some options right here. I can bold them. I can change the color of the font if I would like. I can center them right here. So as you can see, this is a lot like Excel. So if I put some names in here, and then I highlight my data, I can also go over here to Data and go to Sort Sheet. And I can sort by column A. And I can now see that my names are in alphabetical order. We go into more depth for this beginner's guide for how to use Google Sheets out on our blog. And I will include a link to our blog entry on this in the description below on YouTube if you would like to learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.